you smell that? I smell money. So NVIDIA and Super Microcomputer, guys, are setting up as potential good day trades on Monday, but you want to make sure that NVIDIA starts curling up with good buying volume, okay? And that would be a good time to do a day trade with it, okay? Now, SMCI usually goes up more when NVIDIA is going up, okay? So if we catch a bounce, which I believe we'll see an oversold bounce, because NVIDIA was down 10%, which is ridiculous, off of only, Taiwan Semiconductor and ASML having mixed earnings. I think that was unjustified, okay? SMCI was down 23% because they didn't provide preliminary guidance for their earnings, which they normally do, like they did last report or before the last report. And so people are worried they're not going to hit their numbers. And so this is an overblown worry, in my opinion. And I think it's a great day trade or a bounce back trade going into earnings. You can, of course, get out of the stock before earnings. I think you can make some money from Monday or Tuesday, whenever it starts reversing up until earnings, okay? So those are two I'll be looking to play tomorrow, Monday, if I see some good buying volume come in and upward momentum. Again, NVIDIA in the 700s is good if you're long term, okay? But I say short term even, it's a good play in my opinion. I'll be looking to play it. Also, the oil stocks bounced on Friday, as well as the other Dow Jones stocks. So I like the energy sector. They should bounce on Monday or continue their momentum upward. All right, so you can look in that sector as well. Obviously, the tensions in the Middle East right now, price per barrel of oil is about 90 bucks, okay? So these oil companies are going to beat on their earnings, okay, with the higher price per barrel of oil. So like Devon Energy, you've heard me talk about, I own that one. Exxon's obviously a huge company. That's not going to move up or down too much. But Devon Energy, that one can do all right, or like I said, move up more than the other players, since it's more of like it's not a mega cap or a large cap, it's more of a mid cap. So that one can go up nicely, and especially since it's not back to its all-time highs. So I like that play in the oil sector, okay? But the reason why I wanted to go back to why NVIDIA and SMCI sold off so hard, so like I said, Super Microcomputer, they didn't provide preliminary guidance. That was part of the reason. But ASML, remember, they are the top of the food chain, right? They have the monopoly in the EUV lithography market with those huge machines that they sell to Taiwan's Semiconductor, Intel, as well as Samsung. Those are their big three customers. But then Taiwan Semiconductor works with so many players out there, like Apple, like NVIDIA, right? All these mega caps, okay? Taiwan Semiconductor is needed, okay? Without them, we'd be in trouble, right? But that's why Taiwan Semiconductor is building plants in the U.S., which is good. So then we won't have to worry about what's going on in Taiwan if China goes and invades them, okay? I don't think they would do that, because who does that benefit? I mean, right, China and the U.S. both need them, but I know China wants to keep them to themselves, okay? But we'll see. But like I said, the plants are already being built in the U.S., so that's a good sign. Okay, we won't have to worry about what's going on over there. So, but the reason why these stocks fell, let's get back to the main point here, is because ASML and Taiwan Semiconductor, right, they have a big presence, right, in the AI chip industry, right? And they reported mixed results. ASML on Wednesday, Taiwan Semiconductor on Thursday. So that's why chip stocks started falling, okay? But NVIDIA, nothing specifically negative has come out with that company. And that's why this sets up as a good bounce back trade, in my opinion, guys. And also, Taiwan Semiconductor, remember I told you this, I put out a video a while ago. Remember, only 5% right now of their revenue comes from AI. That's going to grow slowly over time, where it becomes more and more of their business and their revenue. But for right now, I said that's why you could catch a dip around earnings, is because the rest of their business, 95% of it, is non-AI, and that is still seeing a slowdown. There's still need to come out of that, okay? Which there are signs, like the memory market, they said on their market, they had some weak segments, but memory is still strong. And that's why I recommended Micron, guys. Remember, that's another good stock to play on this dip, okay? Especially if you're holding long, right? NVIDIA, Micron, those are going to be solid plays, okay? Two of my favorites. But anyways, that's why we're catching a dip now. Don't let the fear get the best of you. Will you be day trading it on Monday or Tuesday? You're going to be watching it closely, catching the reversal back up. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you're doing, guys. Have a good day.